We are doing try these of chapter 12 given on page number 248. This try these is based on your observations. Question number 1, find the ratio of number of notebooks to the number of books in your bag. कि आपके बैग में कितनी नोटबुक्स हैं और कितनी बुक्स हैं. So I will do these all question by taking examples. You can change the value if you want. Now let's do the solution of question number 1. Now this is the solution of question number 1. Here we have taken as number of notebooks. Number of notebooks we can take as in our bag we have taken 9 notebooks, and number of books in bag these are 6. Now we are finding the ratio. You can take according to your bag also if you want to change. Then ratio is 9 upon 6. So we will cut it by 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. So this is 3 ratio 2. Now this is question number 2. Find the ratio of number of desk and chair in your classroom. So here we have to count desks and chairs, and then we will find the ratio. Now let's do the solution. Now this is question number 2. Number of desks in our class 34, and number of chairs are also 34. So ratio is 34 ratio 34 upon 34. You can reduce Banza. So ratio is 1 ratio 1. Now this is question number 3. Find the number of students above 12 years of age in your class. ऐसे बच्चे निकालने हैं जिनकी एज 12 ईयर्स से ज़्यादा हो, और फिर उनका रिमेनिंग स्टूडेंट्स के साथ रेशियो निकालना है. सो लेट्स डू द सोल्यूशन. नाउ दिस इज सोल्यूशन ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स अबव 12 ईयर. स्टूडेंट्स अबव 12 ईयर्स. Total 15 students are there who are above 12 years. Now remaining students in class 19. So total ratio 15 upon 19. So 15 ratio 19. Now this is question number 4. Find the ratio of number of doors to number of windows in your classroom. So आपके क्लास में कितने डोर हैं और कितनी विंडोज हैं, उनका रेशियो निकालना है. This we will find. Now this is question number 4. So in our class you can see that number of doors, only one door, and number of windows, 2 windows. So ratio is 1 upon 2, or we can say 1 ratio 2. Now this is question number 5. Draw any rectangle and find the ratio of its length to its breadth. तो एक रेक्टेंगल बनाएंगे और उसके बाद इसका रेशियो फाइंड करेंगे लेंथ से ब्रेथ का. So let's do this. This is question number 5. Draw any rectangle. So you can draw any rectangle and then you can measure it. Let's this is 5 centimeter and this is 3 centimeter. Every angle should be, this is also 3 and this will be 5. Every angle should be a right angle. So in this way this will be a rectangle. So ratio will be ratio of length to breadth. So length is 5 and breadth is 3. That's why the ratio is 5:3.